Good morning. Yes. Good morning, sir. May request. Lumapat po. May just go. How are you today? So before we proceed, because some paper and use your video. Yes, before we be productive in our lesson, I want you to be acquainted with our class rules. So please make our class rules. Being quiet and listening. Number 2, let's set it with the speaking. 3, do not do unsociety that might disturb the class. Number 4, respect each other. Number 5, actively participate in the class. So I want to observe that in our class. Class of that. So anyone who went through our last lesson yesterday? Okay.
So, recently we discussed about identifying freedom of speech.
Okay, thank you. That's correct. And then, what are the 3 types of figure of speech? So anyone? Okay.
So, the 3 types of freedom of speech is simile, metaphor, and personification.
Okay, yes, very good. So, who can define what is simile? Anyone?
So, simile is a figure of speech involving the comparison of one thing to another.
How about personification? Miss Daliba? That's right. So, do you have any questions about or clarification about our previous lesson or topics?
Answer.
Thank you. So let's end by Mark. Thank you.
Today. And to start our new lesson, we're going to play a game. We're going to divide the class into 2 groups. So this will be the group 1 and the group 2. So I have here scrambled words so that you could complete and then you will be a representative of that. I will put the scrambled words here in the front. So this is for group 1 and this is for group 2. So we can start now. Okay class, so based from the activity that we had, what do you think is our topic for the day? So what comes in your mind? Yes.
So the idea, I think our topic this morning is all about idiomatic expressions.
Exactly. So let's give hands to Sir Kevin. So today now, I hope everyone will be active and participative in our discussion. So before that, I want everyone to read this objective. So everybody please read.
Clearly appropriate meaning of idiomatic expressions. B. Familiarize and value the employees and importance of identifying unique idiomatic expressions. And C. Use idiomatic expressions variety.
Okay, thank you. So here. fireworks clap. So, 1, 2, 3. Okay. Again. 1, 2, 3.
Right now, continue discussion. Mr. Lihan will continue.
So let's read what I know to sing pieces by
Ikaw pa yun nyo, ang education never stops. Work and really back at it, right and right out. We live an ocean of trees, long and deep of, which I haven't seen in years. Sana may learn out, I have heard that I like sweet. There's really not much left to do.
So here's another indication about the idiomatic expression.
So idiomatic expression and moving expression are phrase that when taken as a whole has a meaning you wouldn't be able to denote the meaning of individual words. It's essentially the verbal equivalent of using the wrong math formula but still getting the correct answer.
One example, I will clean my room in the means like so meaning we can never clean. Okay, you can give an example, another example.
You're the apple of my eyes. So it means the TV is my favorite.
So I think we're all good about okay, let's continue our topic about idiomatic expression. So who can give another idea about idiomatic expression?
Well, an idea about idiomatic expressions or about the expression, those meanings cannot be inferred from the meanings of the words that comprise it.
Okay, very good. So here is another definition about idiomatic
So, I am teacher Kurt Bautista. So, why do we need to know idioms?
Sir,
Yes?
for me, sir, we need to know idioms because it is a part of our communication process.
Yes, you want to give in? So, I have here some examples of idiomatic expression. So, what do we mean by a piece of cake? Yes?
So I think, sir, that a piece of cake is more than easy.
Yes, very good. Then, and last example, cause, an arm, and a leg. Anyone? Yes? Is Manila? Okay, correct. So, very good. So, since you have already understand what is idiomatic expression, so that is my part. And Miss Manila will continue the last part of this discussion.